loves, welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm creating this Christmas themed set featuring clear and white nails with silver decorations. I am starting off by using my Sassy Chic metal cuticle pusher to gently push my cuticles back. With my Modesa e-file, I will be using the cuticle pusher bit to remove the excess skin. I am using the BT Artbox Clear French nail tips. I have already sized and trimmed them so they can properly fit my nail bed. Now I'm gluing them on with the Kiss Powerflex nail glue. I am using the 180 grit side of my nail file to gently blend the tips into my nail beds as well as buff away the shine. Now I am applying 2 coats of my Sensationail gel primer. I am putting down a very thin layer of IBD Clear Hard Gel with my present number 8 gel brush, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. I am cleansing my nails with some alcohol on a cotton round, and I'm cleansing all my nails even though I'm doing the 2 clear ones first because I don't want anything sticking to that tacky layer. Originally, I had planned on using striping tape for this set, but I didn't have any. And the cheapest set of striping tape on Amazon that's available with Prime was $6. I don't gravitate towards designs that use striping tape, and I just needed silver. So I picked up this $1 15-foot Tinsel Garland from Family Dollar. I picked up this 6-compartment dish in a pack of 2 from Dollar Tree for $1. They are sold in the craft section. I am using the Kiss brush-on nail glue to affix the tinsel to my nails. For my first time, this honestly didn't take that long. The one good thing about striping tape is that you don't have to use glue with it. It sticks where you place it. So having to put down a glue and make sure that it stayed in place because the ends did pop up on some pieces, that was kind of frustrating, but that's okay. Overall, the nail came out really pretty. I am encapsulating as well as building up the structure of my nail with the clear gel and curing for 30 seconds. I am cleansing my nail again, then I'm going to file the sides and get them nice and smooth. The crystals I am using are by the brand Cousin DIY, and I don't remember exactly the sizes that I used. There will be links in the description. I am applying the Gadget's Entrepot UV gel resin. I am using the Sensationail 2-in-1 base and top coat, and I'm paying very close attention when going around my gems and also when I'm going along the edges of my nails as well, getting the sides and the free edge. This little pot of silver metallic 4-point stars came in a pack of 12 from Wish, and I used them in my last nail tutorial. Just click the eye in the top right hand corner of your screen and it'll take you right to it. There will also be a link for this down in the description. These silver 5-point stars are also from Wish as well. They were free with $1 shipping. They did not come in this jar. They came in a flimsy container with a flip-up lid that wouldn't stay closed. This jar is from AOA Studio. It's one of their loose powder containers. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps I did on my index fingernail, which is encapsulation, building up the structure of the nail, and applying my top coat. You will cure for 30 seconds in between each step. What I didn't show you earlier was that I went back and I applied top coat to the undersides of my clear nails. That'll make them look way more clear. And then I cured again for 30 seconds. Moving on to my thumb, middle, and pinky nails, I am building up the nail structure with the clear gel. I am applying the Sensationail base coat and curing for 30 seconds. This is the CNDSE Just UV Gel Polish in shade number 11. And I purchased it on the Wish app. It was free with $2.74 for shipping. This is the perfect white gel polish. It is very bright and opaque. I applied 2 coats, curing for 30 seconds each. Lastly, I am applying my Sensationail top coat and curing for 2 minutes. I am finishing up by taking some alcohol on a cotton round and cleansing the sticky layer left on my nails after curing and applying some sweet almond oil to my cuticles. Here are my completed Christmas nails. I love the color scheme of this set. I'm a huge fan of the glass nail trend, and I feel like the white, clear, along with the silver accents is super festive. All of the products that I used will be listed in the description box down below. Drop me a comment telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye loves!